Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now in this left section we have to scroll down to find the accounts and backup. Let's tap on it, and here we've got the section for the Google Drive. So let's tap on backup data. Here we have to tap on add account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. We do not have to also enter the full email address, just the very first part before the @ symbol. So let's tap on next. Right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can tap on it and read it if you want to. But let me go back and tap on I agree. And here we've got the information about our backup, so that we can use 15 GB of Google account storage to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, if you want to, you can tap on more details to simply learn more. What's more, your device will back up the data automatically, will store it securely, and you will be able to manage the backup easily. So, of course, if you want to turn on the backup, just tap on turn on and go to another step. If not, if for some reason you decide that you don't want to back up the data right now, just tap on not now. We will go back to the accounts and backup, but no worries, if you will again decide that you want to back up the data, you have to simply tap on this option, and as you can see we will immediately go back to this particular step, so you won't have to go through the whole operation of adding the account and entering it and so on. So that's quite cool. So let's tap on turn on, and as you can see after that we've been immediately transferred to the backup storage. Here we've got the account storage, so we can see how much space we've got left and how much data we are using right now. We can of course manage the storage, so your device will help you to sort the things or remove something. Here we've got the button to back up the data right now. Of course, we will tap on it in a second, and under it we've got the backup details, so you will be able to check how much apps you've got, the data from apps you've got backed up, and so on and so on. So, and here also in advanced settings you've got backup using mobile data. It really depends, but I highly recommend to back up the data using the Wi-Fi, because sometimes you're maybe not developer, but your provider will charge you because of using the mobile data, because it takes a lot of data. So if you're ready, just tap on backup now, and as you can see we will have to confirm it with our pattern pin or password, whatever you've got as a screen lock. And as you can see we've got the information that our device is backing up our data, so everything went fine. So actually this is it. This is how to enable Google Backup in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.